Hi, welcome to Stockage. I'm happy that you have downloaded this beautiful tool created by me and my team. My name is Vivek Bajaj. I'm the co-founder of Stockage. I've been a market professional for almost 15 years. I started my career as an analyst, then became a trader, then owner of one of the top 10 prop desks in India. I created Stockedge with the purpose of empowering all of you with those important informations which we as a market participant, as a professional, we have been using for years to make money from the market. We thought, why don't we create something for retail audience so that they get sensible, relevant and filtered information which has utility value. You are bombarded with a lot of information from media companies, from brokers, to analysts, to media celebrities. We thought that why don't we make life slightly easy for you by giving you informations which are very relevant and effective and that works in the market. If you see the structure of Stockage app, we have two frames. The top frame only has Nifty last 10 days movement and the FI statistics. That gives you immediate impression about the trend running in the market. Then there are three sections in the bottom frame. One is the home, which has a lot of data and analytics, and then you have my Stockage, which helps you to customize Stockage based on your need, and then we have premium features which will help you to go to the next level of decision making. 80% of Stockage is free, and we process almost 1 billion data points to come out with an output for you. Just imagine a 12 MB app giving you immediate output by processing 1 billion data point. That's incredible. The sections which are very relevant for you, you should look at is daily update, where we are giving filtered and only relevant updates related to news, announcement, market activity, forthcoming actions in the market, corporate actions, results calendar, how indices are doing, which sector is doing what, FII, DII statistics, deals in the market, block deal, bulk deal, insider deals, and what kind of results are coming in the market on a quarterly or annual basis. This daily update is a real-time update given by my team, and we have connected with various other sources. So you should look at daily update on an hourly basis to update yourself with the relevant information about the market. Then you have stock section, where you can search for any stock and do a complete 360-degree research on that stock with almost everything which one would need to understand the stock. Then we have FII and DI activity, where you see what FII and DI has been doing. You can see their daily performance activity, you can see their monthly, you can see their yearly. Then you can also see the actual activity done by FII, which we have accumulated from SEBI website. A lot of people give you provisional data because exchanges release them at the end of the market hour. But we also get the actual data of SEBI, and not just from equity and bond market, but also you get primary, secondary and both market data. This is a very unique data points we get in our app. And then obviously for the derivatives user, we have derivative data also related to FIA investments in India. Then you have scans. We have created incredible library of scans which is helping you to identify stocks which can potentially give you opportunity to invest or trade in the market. Each scan, sub-scan has various category of scans which will instantly produce result for you, and these results can also be filtered down to exchange level, stock level or indices level or price level or market cap level or sector level or industry level, right? So these are the incredible scans which will help you to identify new opportunities to trade or invest in the market. Then you have sector analysis. So we have given you exhaustive list of sectors. You can actually search a sector here and you can do a comparative analysis of stocks in that sector. You can do it based on various parameters. You can see the gainers, the losers, and any news related to that sector or any event which is expected in future related to that sector. Then you have investors. We have given you database of almost 2 lakh investors, and you can look at their portfolio, look at their deals which is happening in the market. You can click here, you can see the historical last 5 years deal, and you can go inside that stock where the deal is happening. So Stockage, the beauty of this tool is that it never ends. So you can keep on navigating to the next level from one data point to the other data point to the other data point, and then at the end click any data point as a favorite data point and track it as my Stockage exercise, which can be as a watch list, as a scan, as a combination scan, etc. Then we have given you a lot of learn features, free videos, free text, so that if you don't know anything about the market or anything about finance in large, you can watch these texts and videos and learn about it. Then we have given you IPO information, upcoming IPO, ongoing IPO, what are the listed companies which have come out with an IPO and what has been their performance since the IPO was listed in the exchange. Then you have deals, block deals, bulk deals and insider deals, and in each deal you click, you can actually go to that individual who have done this deal and see the history of last 5 years, or you can go to the company and do a thorough research of that company in whose any kind of deal has happened. Right, and then there are other aspects of Stockage navigation, which will help you to know more about us through tutorials, through various plans which we have. And if you want to know more about the indices, what each indices are telling, what are the various performance parameters of each indices, what are the various stocks in each indices, how has been the gainers of indices, how has been the losers of indices, and for derivative trader, what has been the open interest build up in each indices if that index is traded in the derivative segment. So these are all kind of free features with lot of data, visualization and analytics. You can actually customize Stockage based on my Stockage, where you can create multiple watch lists, you can create multiple investor group and add as many investor name in a group so that you can track their investment on a consolidated basis through a shareholding or through alert deals which can happen in any of the investor group. And also what we have done is we have given you certain premium features, which is like the ready-made strategies, which is designed by our research team, and these strategies can be used by you for your decision making purpose. The strategies can be for investment purpose, the strategies can be comparing the portfolio of various investors in the market like Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, Ramesh Tamani, or institutional investors like Aberdeen Capital, Abu Dhabi Investment Trust, etc., etc. So you can actually look at their portfolio deeply inside. You click here, you get inside their shareholding and see what kind of portfolio these people are holding in the market. Also, we are giving you ready-made strategies to look at the market. These are all illustrative strategies which we have developed, which we believe works in the market. So you can actually get inside those strategies and think about using those strategies for your market participation purpose. So this was broadly an overview of what our app is doing. We are continuously developing the app on regular basis. If you have downloaded, you please use it, keep it, because this is just 10% of the vision which we have. This tool is really an unbiased, effective tool which will be your friend for life if you want to become a successful investor or trader in the market. Thank you.